culture of unashamed, being privileged to have come out and see this year has been a blessing to me, and us to be precise. And I'm in a cold one, but read hapo upepo ka S, that's the hashtag. So God has been good all the way through last year, and I've passed through a lot, and I don't want to take it for granted, having seen the first day of 2025, because many people were not able to cross over the year. It's a privilege, and for that matter, I would want to urge us that let's put our hopes and dreams upon the hands of the Lord, yani, upon the hands of the universe, yani, that which you believe in, you see. Let's believe in the power of the Creator, the power of the Creator of the universe, that whatsoever will come this year, you'll be able to outgrow it even before it comes to put you down, you see. Don't allow things to put you down. Don't allow responsibilities put you down. Don't allow the things that put you down last year put you down this year. I believe in strategies from I think 2 months ago. Yeah, I've been believing in strategies and putting things down, jolting, journaling. There's a way that people are teaching will be teaching you that wherever you want to see your growth, you write the things that you want to do, the things that you are to do, and making them work out, and putting them in a container or a tin or just a small can that you can deliberately see the things that you've done by the end of the year. Yeah, peace out.